Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 Toyota RAV4 XLE Premium. This one's gray. Underneath there's a 2.5 four-cylinder pushing out 203 horsepower and 184 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 19-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Black leather interior, sunroof. Around back, XLE all-wheel drive badging, power lift gate, a set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover, memory seats, power windows, power seats. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. This one also does come with smartphone integration and Android Auto. Push start ignition. We've got a touchscreen media display, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, heated seats, USB ports, our different driving settings, 8-speed automatic transmission. This Toyota has 9,912 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Toyota RAV4, check out feldmannimports.com.